Let's come on and master English phrasal verbs. Hello language enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs. Our focus for this lesson? It's come on. So, let's come on and explore this handy, multi-use phrasal verb. As an English phrasal verb, come on can have different meanings depending on the context. Here, we'll take a look at 3 common uses. 1. Encouragement or urging onward. When you tell someone to come on, you are motivating or encouraging them. For example, come on, you can do it. 2. Indication of disbelief or impatience. You might use come on if you don't believe what someone is saying, or if you're impatient. For instance, come on, you don't actually believe in aliens, do you? 3. Advancement or progress. Come on can mean making progress or advancing in a particular situation. For example, how's your English learning coming on? Now that we've outlined the different meanings, let's see how we can use come on in everyday speech. 1. As an encouragement. If your friend is trying to finish a tough workout, you might cheer them on by saying, come on, you're almost there. 2. Expressing disbelief or impatience. When someone tells you an unbelievable story, you might reply, come on, are you kidding me? 3. To inquire about progress. If you want to ask about the progress of a project at work, you might ask, how is the project coming on? Try to use come on in your daily conversations. It will make your English sound more fluent and natural. Even though come on is commonly used, it can also be commonly misused. Here are some things to avoid. Avoid using come on in formal situations. Since come on is generally considered informal, it may not be suitable for formal writing or formal speech. Don't mix up the different meanings. Remember the different uses we talked about earlier? Make sure to use the correct one based on the context. So there we have it, folks. Today, we've mastered the use of the phrasal verb, come on. Remember, the more you practice using it in your daily conversations, the more comfortable you'll become. So, come on, let's start practicing. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination.